Hey folks, I am at Chakan for the Mahindra Unlimit India Tech Day. They're showing us some awesome tech on the new Mahindra electric origin SUVs, the BE6 as it's now called, and the XEV9e. But what really Mahindra brought us here for was to announce the price of the pack 3, the BE6 3 and the XEV9e 3. These are the top spec. These are the ones with ADAS, the infinity roof, the top spec audio system, everything that works. And my God, have they knocked it out of the park with the price. The BE6 3 is 26.9 lakhs ex-showroom, and the XEV9e 3 is 30.5 lakhs ex-showroom. And that's not for the smaller battery pack. That is for the big 79 kilowatt hour battery pack that has a real world range of 500 kilometers according to Mahindra. That is fantastic. I mean, these cars are, or SUVs as Mahindra says, they don't make cars, they only make SUVs. These are top spec vehicles. These, compete and they benchmark themselves against German luxury car makers, and they're as good, if not better, in terms of what the battery is offering, the audio system, the fact they have ADAS, the light technology. I mean, today I got to see the headlights in the expanded view with the LEDs, the dancing taillights on the BE6. Some of the stuff Mahindra has is class leading, and these are big batteries. The 79 kilowatt hour battery is huge. I saw the blade cells are using everything I saw here, but the price is fantastic. Bookings start on the 14th of February and deliveries will start in early March 2025. Test drives start the middle of January 2025 around the time of the Auto Expo in 6 cities. That's of course the 6 big cities of India. There's a phase 2 and there's a phase 3 as well. But wow, will this kickstart the electric revolution in India? Giving where the fact that they happen to be electric, but you're getting a tech-loaded cars that happen to be electric. It could be petrol or diesel, you don't care. And they're so economical to run. I think it could. I mean, and the pricing that Mahindra has announced really puts a lot of pressure on the other car makers. Hyundai's got the Creta EV coming up in a couple of weeks, in a week's time actually, at Auto Expo. I'm driving it this weekend. Maruti showcasing the eVitara at the Auto Expo. Tata has a Curve, and they're launching the Sierra EV at the Auto Expo. Not launching, they're showcasing it. So the price of this car will put pressure on other car makers. It might even put pressure on BYD, because BYD has to import their cars. Fantastic pricing by Mahindra. I think electric cars in India in 2025 could, have a good thing going. And if Mahindra cracks it, they could be in four-wheelers and SUVs what Ola and Ather and now even Bajaj and TVS are doing in the space of two-wheelers. I hope Royal Enfield does as well, but that's a different story for a different time. Thank you so much for watching. We are just about to hit 5,000 subscribers. I'd like more on YouTube, guys. Just, do that. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.